How you doing? My name is Treniushenderson, and you're tuned in to the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Yep, you tuned into the correct video because I'm literally about to tell you in so many minutes how to easily invest into stocks and earn money fast simply by just using your cell phone. I mean, I did it, and I know if I could do it, you can do it. This is easy as 1, 2, 3. Even my little brother and sister can do this, okay? And look, I'm no expert at when it comes to investing in stocks, nothing like that. I'm not a financial analyst or anything. I just simply started investing in stocks at the beginning of this year for the first time in my whole entire life, and I started profiting, okay? Nobody ever taught me anything about stocks. You know, as a matter of fact, I thought this whole stock market, Wall Street stuff was like so sophisticated. There was no chance for me to even make money off this stuff. But I did a little bit of research and I found out that you could like do it on your phone. And ever since I've been doing it on my phone, which is really easy, I've been profiting. I've been looking at my Cash App and I've been seeing my profit go up because of the investments I've made already. And I'm about to tell you how to do the same thing also. Now, here's the first thing that you got to do in order to become an investor right now. Okay, what you got to do is this. You got to download the application Cash App. For those of you who are not familiar with Cash App, it's an application that you must download in your Play Store if you have an Android, or in your Apple Store if you have an Apple phone. Now, this Cash App application is absolutely free. Cash App is simply an application that allows you to transfer the money that you're going to be profiting from the stock market back to your bank account. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you download Cash App. If you don't know what Cash App looks like in the Apple Store or the Play Store, it's a green icon with a $ in the middle of it. That is Cash App. Once you download that to your phone, they're simply going to ask you to connect your bank account to it so that you can activate it. Okay, so you might want to transfer maybe $5 from your bank account to the Cash App just to get the Cash App application activated so you can start using it to collect your profits that you're going to be making off the stock market. All right. If you need the Cash App application and you don't have it and you want to just skip going through looking for it, look in the very bottom in the description section or the comment section, and you'll see my referral link that I'll give you in order to have Cash App. Now, you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 that go to the proceeds of me investing in my channel. But if you want to use my referral link, click the Cash App link that's at the bottom of this video or in the comment section. Now, this is what you do once you got Cash App to start investing. For everybody that wants to be an investor today and make money easily using your cell phone, the only thing you got to do is go to the very bottom of the Cash App front screen. Okay, the front screen, you're gonna see a big $0 or if you transfer that $5 or earned your $5, you're gonna see a $5 on the front screen of the green app. Okay, at the very bottom there's a DAX symbol, a DAX, a data analyst symbol, like a chart that goes up. You're gonna click that little squiggly line. Once you click that little squiggly line, it's gonna take you into the investment feature of Cash App. Okay, now once you're in the investment feature of Cash App, they're gonna give you a choice whether or not you want to invest into stocks or whether you want to invest into Bitcoin. We're not gonna do Bitcoin. I'll save that for another video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want me to teach you how I invest in the Bitcoin also. All right, but we're just gonna focus on stocks right now. Okay, now when you're on the front of the stock screen of Cash App, they're gonna give you a list and an array of different stocks, and they're gonna try to tell you to invest into them. Okay, you might see General Electric, you might see T-Mobile, you might see Firestone, you might see McDonald's. You're gonna see all these common stocks that they will get you to invest into, but do not invest into them. I did not make money, profiting money, first time in stock market investing into any of those stocks. Here's the secret of how you're gonna make money, okay, with your first time investments. What you wanna do is you want to think about all the products that you buy on a regular basis, whether that's makeup, MAC makeup, it could be toothpaste, Crest, anything. It could be clothes that you wear. All the products that you spend your money on, did you not know that you can make money with them just as well as you spend the money on the product? Okay, that's what you want to do. You want to invest into the companies that you have a connection to, that you have a feeling with, okay, that you always wear or that you always buy. Now, you're gonna look for these companies at the very top of that stock feature of Cash App, where you're gonna see a little magnifying glass where you type in the stock name for the company that you want to invest in. Now, if you don't know the stock name of the company that you want to invest in, or the products that you want to invest in, what you simply do is, and what I did was, I went to Google and I typed in the product name, and then I typed in what is the stock name of the product, okay? And so they're gonna give you the stock name, because the stock name can be totally different from that product that you use, okay? If you wear Michael Jordan shoes and you want to invest in Jordan, it is not Jordan, it's Nike, okay? So you want to make sure that you put in the correct stock name in Cash App, okay? So when you go to Google and you type your product in, you're going to ask for the stock name. You take that stock name that they give you and you take it back to Cash App. Once you take it back to Cash App, you type it in at the very top of the search bar, and then you're going to be able to invest into that company's stock, okay? How did I begin to make money? I just invested $1 for like 16, 17 different stocks. That's all it takes, just to invest in $1. They're gonna give you an option. You wanna invest in $1, $10, $100, $1,000. Don't do so much money starting out. Simply just invest $1 into your favorite companies and you're gonna profit. This is why you're gonna profit. And this is why a lot of people don't profit. A lot of people always try to invest into the companies that they see where the stocks are going up. Like, oh, let me get into it. Let me get into it. That's what sheeple do. Sheeple invest into what everybody else is doing, and then they're gonna lose money at the end of the day. The reason why I said invest in the products that you use the most is because these are the products that you have a feeling for. You have a passion for. So that means that even if you lose money, you're gonna still be there for that company, and it's eventually gonna go back up, and you're gonna always make more money than you've actually lost, okay? Because not only are you investing into the company, but you're actually buying that product from that company all the time, okay? So this is how I actually began to make over $400 in profit my first time investing into the stocks market. I just invested into all the stuff that I looked around in my room. I invested into all the stuff that I buy the most, and then I went back to my Cash App a couple days later, and I had already made like $10, and I ain't invest nothing but like into 16, 17 different companies, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to do it every other day. You don't want to invest $1 in it every day or anything like that. Just when you think that you should go back and do an investment into whatever company that you decide to do that for that day, just another dollar, another dollar, another dollar, another dollar. And I guarantee you, if you keep going back every other day, like periodically, and you check your Cash App investment feature, I guarantee you, you'll start to see your money go up. Now, here's the good part, the fun part. Once you've started to profit, you can always pull out. You can just say, hey, I want to cash out. You take your money, it'll go straight into your Cash App, or you can transfer the money from your Cash App into your bank account, and then you do it all over again. You'll profit. Now look, like I said, this is so easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, and this is for beginners. I'm no expert, and I already done profited money, my first time investments, and it's really fun too, man. It's really fun, because here's the fun thing about it. If you're the type of person who has foresight, like you can see in the future of which companies is gonna be hot, which companies is not gonna be hot, okay? If you have a foresight in seeing what the future holds, okay, you might invest into a company whose stocks are low at the time, okay? But just because you think that something is gonna happen, some type of events are gonna happen, or something is gonna happen to cause a company's stock to go up, you can invest in it today, and then if your prediction is right, it'll start going up, you'll start making more money, and then by the time you get up to the top, people can't buy into it because the stock price is too high, okay? So right now, it's a great time to get into this, because most of the stocks that used to be high, they really low right now because the stock market not doing too good. But if you have that foresight, okay, if you have that foresight and you can see into the future which stocks are gonna rise back to the top, okay, then you want to invest into those stocks right now for only just $1. And I can guarantee you'll be able to make money with this for the rest of your life, okay? So this is how you easily invest into stocks and earn money fast, simply by using your cell phone for beginners. All right, if you're gonna do this, if you're gonna become an investor today, give this video a thumbs up and comment below, thank you, TreniuS, for making me an investor. All right. Just simply comment below. I want to see a show of hands. Comment below and say, thank you, TreniuS, for making me an investor. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon right there. Click that face icon because I'm going to make a video on how to invest into Bitcoin and what Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is all about. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see that video come up on your screen first. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload that Bitcoin video. Interesting. See? Now you're a stock investor.